What's up guys? So this is a tutorial on how to force power off any Samsung device that's asking for the password when you want to turn it off. So this is available for the models that doesn't have a home button, and that would be S8 and above models. Okay, so if you have one of those and you cannot turn it off by normally powering off from here from the menu, what you want to do is hold the Bixby button and the volume down button, and as you're holding them you wanna also hold the power button. Alright, so hold all of them, volume down, Bixby and power button, until you see this screen. Alright, so now once this screen will appear, you can see that if you press the volume down button it will restart the phone. So that's what we want to do, and immediately after the phone is restarted we want to try and get to the recovery menu, and in order to do that we will have to hold the Bixby, the volume up and the power button, but we have to press the volume down button, right, for the phone to be restarted. So we will do it like this. I will tap the volume down button and very quickly I will switch to Bixby, volume up and power button. Alright, so tap the volume down and now switch to the other three buttons. You have to do it very quick because otherwise it won't work. Alright, so if you see this image, that means you did it correctly. If you don't see this image, just do the procedure again from the beginning. Alright, so now you will have to wait a bit. And this menu will appear, and now you can see that it says here power off. So you wanna scroll down with the volume down button, highlight the power off and then just tap the power button, and your phone is powered off now. So now after this procedure, when you will want to turn it on, you will see that it will boot directly in the recovery menu, but that's no problem. So just power it on normally. When you want to power it on, wait a bit, and when this menu appears again, you will see that, let me just highlight something else. It says here reboot system now. Okay, so highlight the first option and just tap the power button, and you will see that your phone will reboot normally. So that's it. Bye.